In today's video, I'll teach you how to use AliExpress coupons or discounts. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in aliexpress.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of AliExpress. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to use your coupons or discounts, what you have to do is go to the checkout interface. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of AliExpress. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to use the coupons or discounts, what you have to do is simply go to the checkout interface. For that, make sure you've added the items to cart. If you do not know how to add it, simply click on the item that you would like to purchase and click on the option add to cart. After you do that, the item will be added to the cart. Now what you have to do is view the cart. Click on the cart icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your shopping cart interface. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to cart over here. Select the items that you would like to check out. Now after you do that, click on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be led to the checkout interface of AliExpress. In the checkout interface, you'll be able to use the coupons and discounts. So if you want to use the coupons or discounts, what you have to do is simply enter the coupon code or discount code in the promo code section. For that, click on the field of enter. Now over here, you'll have to enter the code. Look into your coupon or the discount voucher. You'll be able to find the coupon code or discount code over there. Simply click on this field and enter that promo code. Now once you do that, click on the option apply that you can see on the screen and it will be applied. Now your total will decrease and you'll get the discount. So like this, you'll be able to use a coupon or discount. So that is how you use coupons or discounts on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.